Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to do a quick video. Happy Wednesday. About plug power. It has dipped, and it might be a good opportunity to buy the dip. You guys know that I'm a bit enthusiastic about this stock. I'm pretty long. I think this has got a lot of potential. So it's something that I wanted to keep long term, but it dipped and it had ran up a lot for me, so I wanted to take some of the profits out and keep some. So I had 14 shares at 11.75. I put the trailing stop that Terrell was talking about on the stock. And went all the way up to 1902. So my trailing stop triggered at 1712. That was 10%. That's where my trailing stop was at. You could put yours for 15 or 20, as he said. It's all up to you. But I took it at 1712. I did not sell all of the shares. Again, this is something that I'm long on, so I wanted to keep some. So I sold 9 out of my 14 shares. I kept 5 of them. The average cost of those 5 shares still stayed at $11.75. What I did after that was set a limit buy order so I could buy 5 more at $17. So once it hit $17, it bought the 5 more. My average cost now for those 10 shares that I now own is $14.38. Right now it's trading at $16.89, and that's why I didn't sell all the shares. Because if I sold all the shares, then my new price would have been $17. Right now, I'm still even though it's still reeling and still trying to find this footing of where it's gonna, even out at, I'm still profiting because I still held those lower shares in my portfolio and combined them with the higher shares to give me an average price of $14, which still gives me a profit of like around 18%. So even if it was falling a little bit more, I would still, be in a profit. So this is a good tip, even if you don't want to invest in plug. Whatever stock you're in, this is a good tip to do. You want to take some profits, but you're saying, but I want to keep these stocks. That's fine. Keep the stock, but sell some and then buy some more. What Bradley told me, which is so true, all of this profit that you may be making is all imaginary until you click sell. None of it's yours until you click sell. So you want to take some of the money off the table. It was a term that was hard for me to grasp at first, but this is really just informing you guys of this is a good strategy for you guys to take. Anyway, back to plug. It has fallen the last few days. This might be a good time to buy. I'm gonna set another buy order and buy 10 more at $16.50 limited buy order. So if it drops down to $16.50, I'll be buying 10 more. If you guys want to wait a little while, see if it drops a little bit more, feel free to do so. But just telling you guys what I do. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Keep it going. Keep your eyes on your stocks.